Hi Julian students, this is Miss Winchell. I'm here with you in video form to help you with starting your research project for Chicago neighborhoods. I'm going to ask you to open up your Julian Library Resources folder that you created when you were with me in the library in LA at the beginning of the school year. And then I'd like you to open up the Julian Library website. If you happen not to have this in your library folder, don't worry, it's just at the Julian Library Julian page, and it's the second quick link. This website is a portal for you with lots of information, and we'll come back to it several times throughout this project. The tab we're going to focus on now is Teacher Assignment Links. In Teacher Assignment Links, I often post research guides for different projects that I'm working on with teachers. This research guide for you is Kelleher, Chicago neighborhoods. Go ahead and open that now. Miss Kelleher may also have that on Canvas. I'm going to focus for this little minute on search terms and to give you an overview of what search terms are and how to create strong ones. The only math that I tend to do in the library is this equation, topic plus keywords equals search terms. A search term is anything you type into a search box. So you're going to start with your topic. Your topic for this project is your neighborhood in Chicago. Okay? So whatever that might be, that'll be your topic. Your keywords are going to be other things you're trying to find. Okay? As your research goes on, you're going to start to want to focus on things like festivals, culture, or art. In the beginning, you might just want to use the keyword Chicago. You combine your topic and your keyword to make a search term. So, Pullman festivals, Englewood culture, West Loop art. West Loop is in quotes because I'm searching an exact phrase. Those two words together always. Notice I don't have any punctuation. I don't have what are Pullman festivals in Chicago. Notice I don't have extra words. I just am using these very specific, strong search terms because I don't need to enter a lot of information into a website in order to find what I'm looking for. When you're on the web and you're starting, you have your search terms ready, okay? I'm going to say I'm doing Pullman. Oops. If I just type in Pullman, I might get like the Pullman strike or the Pullman family. So I know that my topic is not enough, okay? I know I need a keyword Chicago, okay? And I'm going to start there with those two words. Notice I didn't put anything else into my search box. That's my search term, Pullman, Chicago, go. And then I'm going to see what results come up. Very soon we'll be evaluating websites. But for now, I'm going to say stick with the .orgs because those are more credible. Historic Pullman Foundation.org intrigues me. And I can see on here that I have a lot of tabs. There's a history tab. It looks to me like this is going to be a very helpful website. It is very important when you're researching on your iPad to make your iPad work for you. There's this very nifty tool in the upper right-hand corner called Add to Reading List. Touch the Share arrow button and then touch Add to Reading List. It's going to give you a little option to add that to your reading list. You can check your reading list by touching the book and then touching the glasses. Okay, I have a lot of other stuff in here from other projects I've done, which I probably need to clear out. So then I'm going to come back and look again at another website that I might add, the Pullman State Historic Site. I'm going to basically repeat this process. This is a Pullman museum. Let's see. It looks like a lot of history, a lot of movement. This will probably be a very helpful website for me too. I'm going to add that to my reading list as well. You repeat this process with your search terms, okay? I'm going to say Pullman, Chicago. Let me add in another search term, Pullman, Chicago festivals, and see what I can come up with. Maybe I'll be able to find something on the web, I don't know. Historic Pullman Foundation calendar, a hobo fest, interesting. I might pull that. It looks like a .com, but I know that DNA Info is a Chicago news article. So this is something I might need to look into a little more. I'm gonna click the share out and then click add to reading list. Notice how in just a short period of time, without reading through a ton of stuff, I have now 1, 2, 3 websites added to my reading list that will help me with my research. Once I'm done at finding those, then my job will be to go back and read them closely and start taking notes on the different aspects Ms. Kelleher is looking for. And that is how you start using strong search terms when you're researching.